Good morning children. Welcome to e-learning class. As you know, our third chapter is going on, that is subtraction. So children, today we will discuss about the topic subtraction of 4 and 5 digit numbers. So some steps are given under this topic. First is without borrowing. Without borrowing means जिसमें हमें borrow करने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती है. So, for example, one question is given here. There were 7,863 books in a library at the beginning. If 4,251 books are distributed among the readers, how many books are left in the library? So, children, solution you can see. How many books are there? 7,863. And how much he distributed? 4,251. So we have to find out the left books which are left in the library. So children, you can see stepwise subtraction it is done here. First step is subtract the ones, second is subtract the tens, and third is subtract the hundreds, and the fourth is subtract the thousand. Means we will always start from the one side. Okay, so 3 minus 1 is 2, 6 minus 5 is 1, 8 minus 2 is 6, 7 minus 4 is 3. So how many books are left? 3,612 books are left in the library. Okay, this is without borrowing. इसमें हमें borrow नहीं करना पड़ा. Borrow मतलब उधार लेते हैं जो, तो that we have not done in this step. Now second step is with borrowing, मतलब जहाँ हमें borrow करना पड़े. So example 2, Sanjay bought an old car that cost rupees 59,543. He paid rupees 36,874. How much money did he borrow from his friend to pay the car ticket? So solution we will see. To get the answer we need to subtract 36,874 from 59,543. So again we will start from ones. So children, this is 3 and this is 4. As we know that 3 is less than 4, so it can't be subtracted. 4 can't be subtracted from 3. So 3 will borrow 1 from 4. Okay, अब जब इसने 4 से 1 लिया तो ये 3 क्या हो गया? 13 हो गया. Now 13 minus 4, और ये 4 क्या हो गया? It is 3 now. So 13 minus 4 is how much? 9. Now here 3 minus 7, again 3 is less than 7, so 3 will borrow 1 from 5, again it will become 3 and 5 will become 4. 13 minus 7 is 6, again 4 minus 8, 4 is less than 8, so 4 will borrow 1 from 9, it will become 14 and it will become 8. 14 minus 8 is 6, again 8 minus 6, so 8 is more than 6, it can be subtracted, so 8 minus 6 is 2, 5 minus 3 is 2 again. Okay, so the answer is 22,669. Again, next heading is subtraction of 6 digit numbers. So children, subtraction of the large number is done in the same way as we subtract the small number. सब्ट्रैक्शन में क्या होता है? ईजिली हम लार्ज नंबर से स्मॉल नंबर्स को सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं. वी स्टार्ट सब्ट्रैक्टिंग द डिजिट्स एट द वंस प्लेस एंड देन मूव टुवर्ड्स लेफ़्ट. अब हम क्या करते हैं सब्ट्रैक्शन में? हमेशा 1 से स्टार्ट करते हैं और उसको लेफ़्ट की तरफ मूव करते जाते हैं. रीग्रुप वेरेवर नेसेसरी. अब जब कहीं पर नंबर मिक्स करके दिए होते हैं, जैसे कि यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है विदाउट रीग्रुपिंग, मतलब ग्रुप करके नहीं दिया हुआ है, so first we make them in group, we arrange them, तभी हम जा कर के या तो एडिशन करते हैं या तो सब्ट्रैक्शन करते हैं. अब हम इसको ऐसे माइनस डायरेक्टली नहीं कर सकते. so first we will have to arrange them according to their place values and then we solve it. so this is called without regrouping. मतलब क्वेश्चन विदाउट रीग्रुपिंग मतलब बिना ग्रुपिंग किए दे सकते हैं, but we have to solve it by grouping it. Okay, now we will start exercise 3a. So simple it is. Subtract the following. 2 minus 1, you can see questions are given. 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 minus 1 1 minus 0 is 1. 5 minus 3 is 2. 0 0 0. 7 minus 1 is 6. Children, this exercise you will do in your copy. Okay, exercise 3a, do in your fair कॉपी. ठीक है, मैंने बुक में बताया है, इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि आप भी बुक में ही फिल करेंगे, आपको ये एक्सरसाइज कॉपी में लिखनी है. ओके, नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. 0 minus 0 is 0. 3 minus 1 2. 5 minus 1 4. 8 minus 1 7. 4 minus 1 3. 3 minus 1 2. Now question number 3. Again you can see 6 5 1 2 1 1. 3 2 1. 4 2 2. 8 minus 1 is 7. Now question number 4. 4 minus 1 3. 4 minus 2 2. 5 minus 3 2. 0 0 0. 9 minus 7 is 2. Question number 5. 2 minus 2 0. 3 minus 1 2. 1 minus 1 0. 6 minus 2 4. 7 minus 3 4. 8 minus 3 is 5. Question number 6. 5 minus 2 3. 1 minus 1 0. 2 minus 2 0. 4 minus 3 1. 6 minus 2 4. 7 minus 3 4. अब ये सिंपल सब्ट्रैक्शन है, इसमें कुछ भी एक्सप्लेन करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. आई थिंक यू ऑल नो हाउ टू सब्ट्रैक्ट, सो you will do up to 6 in your classwork. And question number 7 8 and 9 is your homework. Okay, question number 7 is homework, question number 8 is homework, and question number 9 is also homework. These 3 questions you will do in your homework, but you will do that these 3 questions in your classwork copy only, क्योंकि हम लोग classwork और homework दोनों सेम कॉपी में करते हैं. That's why you will do this homework in your fair copy, in your classwork copy. Okay children, if you will have any query, then you can ask me, and do your homework properly, do your classwork properly. Have a nice day. Thank you.